Can you see that? I don't want to use a blow dryer ever again. Can you see that? Okay, it goes up to 430. Ooh, I can feel it. It's nice and warm. Did I really put it on like 4 or something? It goes up to 4. I put it on 430. Okay, I'm gonna take it down to, let's just do 320. It does not, I mean, it's like warm, but it's not like hot. Okay, I don't really know what to expect, honestly. I'm just gonna part my hair and we'll see what happens. My hair is a little damp, so I'm not gonna lie, like it's a little damp, but like barely. This is not a blow dryer, so I'm not even sure this is a good idea. I just heard it sizzle. Did you see that? Okay, let's do, I'm doing the small section. Let's do it again. Wow, I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, I need my hair to dry a little bit more and I'm gonna come back, okay? I forgot to start filming on my camera, on my vlog camera. You know what? Girl, I am not mad at this. And that's on 300. I actually turned it down just a little bit on accident, so there's that. But yeah, I definitely need to clip or trim, I shouldn't say, trim my ends. I just did it again. That's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. So if you, how they have the buttons, like as you're holding it, you could accidentally change the temperature settings, which is probably not what you want to do, you know. Definitely need a trim. I can touch my scalp with this brush and feel nothing except the bristles. Feel no heat, which is great. Literally have no hairstyle at the moment. The only thing is, I think intentionally I was looking for a yeah, my ends need to be trimmed bad and I'm gonna do it. Initially I was looking for a flat iron, no, a brush that would blow dry my hair straight, not straighten my hair straight. Like I don't think I could use this on a damp hair, right? But just, she got enough body just by herself. Ooh, I need to trim this so bad. So I cannot wait till it's straight so I can cut it. Okay, we're gonna come back and do the rest. It's so fast. It's so fast. Like, I don't want to use a blow dryer ever again. Okay, so I gave myself a minor trim. It already looks better, but it's, like I said, it's minor. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair now. Just waiting on my flat iron to heat up. It's like nothing special, okay? At least I don't think so. I got this from Ulta years ago. Okay. I think I see PYT in here. I think that's the name of the brand. I have no idea. After I straighten it, I'm gonna give it my final trim. And yeah, we'll be done. We'll be done. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Not just me and my hair. Okay, so this is what we're working with, which is fine, but it could be better. The bounciness though, hold on, what just happened to my light? I'm a fan. This side clearly has more damage than this side, so I need to finagle this a little bit more in order to get the healthiness back, but which is gonna make it a little uneven. Let me trim whatever's left that need to be trimmed, and then I'm gonna show you guys the for real final results. This is what the hair is looking like. How do we feel? I feel great. I did trim a little bit more on this side just to get rid of some of those split ends. I need to chop some more, I'm gonna be honest, but for now she look good. I feel like this was the look that I thought I was gonna get before. But three things. Like, I feel like the products that I used just didn't work, but that would be like the bottom of the list. And then I needed my ends trimmed, and then my flat iron routine was terrible. So I ain't want to have to say, baby right here, baby did her thing. Okay, my hair was pretty straight. My hair was pretty straight after flat iron, blow drying, whatever that process is. And I just my hair has not been like that ever before in life, so that was nice, and I think that helped in the process of straightening my hair. So my hair is super soft, super bouncy. I am obsessed with my hair now. I might not cut all this shit off again. I might not, okay? It's my current flat iron routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.